Serena.
And Tasia, and today you guys are on
CraftyJunicorns. So what our inspiration was for CraftyJunicorns was we took Crafty because we're very crafty, and we took juniors and unicorns and mixed them together and we got CraftyJunicorns. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're making is some Floam Slime. For the Floam Slime, you will need a bowl, a spoon, Elmer's school glue, shaving cream, baking soda, contact lens solution, make sure it has boric acid in the back, food coloring, and Floam beads. So let's get our bowl and our spoon. So what we're going to be adding in first is some glue. We're going to be using 1/2 cup of glue. If you want, you can add in however much you want, but we're just going to do something. Okay, so make sure that you guys have like a table thing on.
Yeah.
Or like a
Tablecloth.
Yeah, so you don't get it all over the place.
Oh, roll your sleeves up.
Okay. Now we're going to use the same exact thing that we used for the glue and add in shaving cream. So do you want to do that, Tasia?
Oh, sure.
Should you get up? That's good. You pour it in.
Can you help me? That's why I didn't want it in there.
Okay, so I think that's good. So now we're going to mix it up. This is my favorite part because it looks like whipped cream. I love it. So now you can add in your food coloring, but we're not going to add it in yet. So what we're going to be adding in next is we're going to be adding in our baking soda. So you just add in 1 pinch of baking soda, or 1 teaspoon.
Doesn't really matter.
Yeah. I like using 1 pinch.
Yeah.
I like eyeballing it. And then I like mix it in. And now we're going to add in our contact lens solution, which you need to make sure that it has boric acid in it. So that's how it activates the whole thing. So we're going to add in our contact lens solution. We're just going to add in about
3 squirts?
Yeah, 3 squirts. And then mix. And then if it's already thick and it's already good, you can go in with your hands. But ours isn't really
that good.
Yeah, it's still sticky, so we're going to add in about 3 more squirts. 1, 2, 3. And then mix.
If you see the slime sticking to the sides, you're probably like almost there.
Yeah. We're gonna mix with our hands.
Well, she is, but I'm the clean.
You're the neat, I'm the messy. Oh.
Don't forget to get this.
I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, so now this is just a fluffy slime, a basic fluffy slime. So now we're gonna split it in half because we're making 2 slimes because it's for both of us.
It's a little sticky.
Yeah, a little bit sticky. We'll add in some more activator. So you can always add in more activator once you're playing with it.
And you want to be very careful with the contact lens solutions.
If you add in too much, that's what happened to me last time when I first made slime. That was very hard.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna split it in half. And now we can add in our food coloring if you waited like we did. Where is it? Oh, there it is. So I'm using fuchsia and Tasia is using
navy blue.
So we're just gonna add in about maybe 3 squirts, but I like to use 2, just so I don't add in too much.
Now I need help with this because I'm not.
Oh,
good.
that was about 2. So now you're just gonna mix that in. Make sure that it doesn't. You try not to get it on your hands.
That's not gonna happen.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
Can you help me?
You can do it.
It's on the
Hopefully this comes off. Well, it always is gonna come off, but mine got a little bit sticky once I added in the food coloring. So I'm gonna add in some more contact lens solution because it's super sticky.
Can you help me?
I'm not touching that.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. You sure you want me to do it?
So I'm so sorry if we have stuff on our hands at the rest of the video because we're gonna have a bunch of stuff on our hands. This is why you need a tablecloth. This is a reason. Because if you got that on your table, oh, your mama's would be bad.
Your mama's waiting for that hand on that butt.
Oh, she's gonna do a little spanky spank.
I'm happy with this color.
Yeah, you might get punished. So
Yeah.
that's why you need a
Maybe a
thingy
little
mabobber. Yeah, okay.
Can I grab that after you?
Okay, so now I think it's good for my I just like it now. Because for some people, when you have warm hands, it kind of makes the slime sticky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
So
have warm
this,
hands.
now I'm gonna, oh.
How dare you?
So now I'm gonna add in the
Could you hand me that blue?
little floamies.
Thank you.
And you can do different colors. Like some people do pink slime with red beads in there, but we're gonna do,
I'm just gonna do blue and blue.
yeah, blue and blue. And I'm doing pink and rainbow. Mixy mix.
Oopsies.
Yeah, one of them dropped. That's okay. I'm making mine a Floam Slime, a real one. So I'm adding in a lot.
I'm not gonna add too much.
Oh.
Lane, what's your favorite movie?
I'm pushing the cat.
Oh, I like that too. I like Stormy though.
Yeah, me too. Okay, bye-bye. So this is my slime. And Tissy is not even
Oh
close
my.
to being finished. But you can also add in like about 3 drops of scent. Or 1 or 2. If you want it stronger, you add in more. If you want it not strong, you add in less.
You do everything. Okay.
I'm at
Is there any blueberry?
Watermelon.
How much do we add?
1 drop. Be very careful because it comes out fast. This one's running out. That's good. It was 1 tiny drop, but it's okay. Mine is very, very floamy.
Mine still smells
But
like slime.
it's not the official Floam. It's still a slime. Like, if you added in another... Oh, I should add in another packet. You
I
can
think
have...
I'm in the lead.
You want some?
Sure. Have that one?
Shika, shika, boom, boom. Okay, I'm done.
I'm not.
Okay, so this is the finished product. I
You
really...
could see one.
So, this is true Floam Slime. It's true Floam Slime. But when I let it sit, it's going to stay in more. Right now, it's not going to stay in well, but. So, yeah. That was it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, #Junicorn fam. So, bye!